Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our webinar. This is Jordan, the marketing coordinator here at AIM. Today's webinar will be recorded and then later posted on our website. This does mean that all attendees will be automatically muted so that we get a quality recording. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them into the chat box and we'll try to answer them throughout the presentation. But if we're unable to get to all the questions, we'll have a member of our marketing team reach out to you individually to make sure you get that answered. We do have webinars every Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Next week's webinar is a discussion about cross-selling with lead internal wholesaler Don Erickson. And with that, I'll hand it over to Nisha so that we can go ahead and get started. Take it away, Nisha.
Thank you, Jordan. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending my webinar. I'm a blood, sweat, and tears into this, and I hope you gain some valuable information. Today, we'll be talking about maximizing profits, the power of customer growth and retention in insurance. So on the agenda today, we're going to do comparison of customer growth versus retention, statistics, balancing growth and retention, key takeaways, conclusion, and of course, saying thank you. A fun quote this morning: if you can film an idea in your mind, follow that film idea shot for shot, scene for scene. That idea is worth making. All right, let's get started. So customer growth. It's the process of attracting and converting new clients. Expanding your customer base and increasing market presence are critical. Now, the ongoing process of customer growth allows you to grow your customer base and obtain even more opportunities to conduct business. Statistics, they vary from industry to industry, but research does indicate that adding a new customer is far more expensive venture than retention. Why is that? When it comes to new customers, remember, you are basically starting from scratch with them. You are hitting the pavement, door knocking, whatever it is that you need to do. That takes time and money to gain their interest in your business, product, or even more time and money to convince them to purchase from you. The important aspect of a business strategy involves identifying your potential customer, attracting them to your service, and then gaining their trust to purchase from you. It encompasses a range of marketing and outreach tactics, including advertising, promotional campaigns, and content marketing, all tailored to create awareness and interest in the product and service you offer. Some strategies to help acquire new clients. Targeted marketing campaigns. Use data analytics to identify prospective clients and customize your marketing messages to address their specific needs and challenges. And reaching that new client, are you sitting down and having a financial needs analysis with them, really going over everything, kind of getting an idea of what you can offer them and how to best service them? Do you have referral programs for those clients who do purchase from you, and the word of mouth referral base, Referral programs, they motivate current clients to refer their network by offering allowable incentives like gift cards. Do you have something in place to reward those customers? What does your online presence look like? Establish a strong digital presence through a professional website, active social media engagement, and effective search engine optimization to attract clients researching insurance options. I myself am not a TikTok user. I kind of stay within the realms of Instagram and Facebook, but I don't know how to master them. They're easy for me: post pictures, say a little heartfelt message, and then I move on. There are people who are phenomenal at TikTok and getting people to engage with them while also creating that brand awareness. So online presence does help in attracting. We also have a platform that allows you to have your own agent website, to where when people are Googling for an agent in a local area, you would be at the top of that list. Are you participating in industry events, networking, local business groups, community activities to create and forge those connections and generate new leads to enhance customer growth. What does that look like for you? Switching over to customer retention, that's the process and ability of a company to keep its customer over a period of time. You're focusing on keeping your current clients satisfied, happy, and loyal. A customer's lifetime value is the projected value of that customer over the entire course of their relationship with you. It's no secret that customers who are loyal to you are more valuable to your business versus the one time buyers. A strong customer retention strategy enables you to maximize the lifetime value of your customers by encouraging them to bring their business back to you again and again. So, some strategies to focus on that will help to create those long term customer relationships. Now, in talking about this, I get that there are some agents who are veterans and your book of business is very strong and sturdy. There are also new agents on the line who are learning and beginning in this field. And some, like myself, at once upon a time in my life, I had to learn that building those relationships are more important than getting to straight to the point. Customers want to be feeling valued versus like a number on the books. So, small disclaimer there. The key to continuous satisfaction and loyalty that will involve various activities like personalized service. By delivering personalized service, you anticipate your client's unique needs and offer customized solutions. Regular check ins and personalized communications can make a client feel valued. So you pick up the phone and call them on their birthdays or when they have a special life event, birth of a child, a wedding. Are you doing things that put thought into it versus an automated thing? Sending cards is easy, it's automated. Are you showing up at the wedding, congratulating, being present? Have you or do you complete a financial needs analysis when you sit down with that client? It has many different names, yet the purpose is still the same. Are you really diving deep into what it is that they would need? Because it's a lifetime relationship that you're trying to build with them versus a one and done. Customer education. Are you educating your clients about the insurance policies and the industry changes to build and demonstrate that trust so they value your service? Are you giving them a heads up, a call, preparing them for the shifts and the changes that are coming for AEP or even for life insurance, whatever product that you're offering them? If there's changes that are happening in the industry, are you educating your customer and preparing them for that change? Loyalty programs and proactive engagement. So implementing a loyalty program that rewards your long-term customers. Proactive engagement, reaching out to clients before their policies expire to discuss their needs and offer necessary adjustment or additional coverage. Do you have a client who had a term policy and it's 2 to 3 months away from expiring after that 20-year long paying on it, but they're still alive, for example? So, effective customer retention leads to repeat business, word of mouth referrals, and a strong, loyal customer base, which is crucial for sustainable business growth and profitability. Customer growth and retention. So, understanding the key distinction between customer growth and customer retention is crucial for an effective business strategy. The biggest difference lies in their core objectives and impacts. Customer growth is about increasing your numbers, whereas retention focuses on growing your business. Customer retention efforts are more long term, are essential in building and maintaining a stable customer base by maximizing the lifetime value of each customer. Remember, going back to that needs analysis, is there something different a year from now, 2 years from now that you can pin and take note on that you can offer them as new business? These strategies they go beyond the initial engagement, focusing on nurturing a long-term customer relationship. This involves understanding their need and preferences. Going back to again, did you complete a need analysis for that customer or customers, husband and wife? So you know how to offer that personalized experience, consistently delivering value that exceeds their expectations. By doing so, business can turn a one time buyer into a loyal customer who can make repeat purchases and act as brand advocates for you, bringing in new customers through word of mouth and recommendation. Customer growth and retention costs, they're very different. Do you know the dollar amount that you spend on working to gain that new customer? I had an agent who told me once that he spent 27 grand just to try and market and utilize all the Google search engines and all that goes into marketing for finding a new customer. So do you understand that dollar amount versus going back to that loyal customer and looking at what it is that you can service them either right now if you're in need of a sale or something. Customer retention costs are important for measuring the value of the customer retention effort. Marketing strategies are different. Marketing strategies that focus on customer growth, they predominantly utilize external campaigns that extend beyond the direct interfaces of the business. These campaigns they leverage various channels and techniques to attract that new customer. Content marketing plays a pivotal role in this approach. It involves creating and distributing value, relevant, consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. Going back to TikTok, have you ever found yourself um, scrolling and every once in a while you see what you think is a creative, entertaining, relatable content, but really it's a brand marketing. If you pay attention, they have their shirts on, or they have a candle, or they have whatever it is that they're actually trying to sell you available for your site. Basically, the aim is to establish authority, raise brand awareness, and drive profitable customer reaction. Similarly, SEO is another critical component of growth strategies. That involves optimizing your website to rank higher in the search engine results, increasing visibility and attracting potential customers searching for related products or services online. So, on the other hand, it primarily focuses on the current customer base and implemented within existing customer interfaces such as mobile apps or portals. These strategies they engage and satisfy existing customers, encouraging them to continue using the product or service. A common retention tactic is the implementation of customer loyalty programs, a program that rewards repeat customers for their continued business by either offering gift cards or whatever exclusive offering that is allowable. That will foster a sense of value and appreciation for among your customers. Different metrics are used to measure the success rate. So, the success of customer growth is measured using metrics that provide insights into the efficiency and effectiveness of these strategies. For customer retention, key metrics include retention rate, customer lifetime value, offering a perspective on how well a business maintains its existing customer base, and the long term value derived from them. So, some statistics, there will be some percentages and some numbers. I hope I haven't lost you. The cost of acquiring new customers is 5 times higher than the cost of retaining existing customers. Remember, there was an agent that spent almost basically 30 grand for his marketing to gain and attract new customers. While growth allows you to increase the number of customers you have, the retention allows you to maximize the value of your current ones. Companies that prioritize customer retention over customer growth, they're 60% more profitable. This highlights the benefits of focusing on retaining existing customers. So, looking back over your book of business, are there some customers or couples that you can reach out to that you can now earn business from? The probability of selling an existing customer is 60 to 70%, while the probability of selling to a new is only 5 to 20. Now, don't miss the idea of going out and getting a new customer as the years as the years go by. Retaining a customer will change as some will pass away, some will either stop paying on them, or some policies will be canceled. So, gaining a new customer is just as important as retaining that customer. A customer experience at an agency found that loyal customers are 5 times more likely to repurchase, 5 times more likely to forgive, 4 times likely to refer, and 7 times more likely to try a new offering. Have you established a strong enough relationship with your clients that when you call, they answer? While the success rate of selling to a new customer is 5 to 20%, this shows that existing customers are more likely to make additional purchase than new customers. Repeat customers spend 67% more than new customer. This highlights the potential value of retaining that existing one. So let's talk about customer satisfaction. Building customer loyalty is crucial for that long-term success. Don't treat them like a number. Loyal this is stutter. Sorry. Loyal customers not only make repeat purchases, but they are also there to serve as advocates for your brand. 91% of customers who had a bad experience will not do business with the same company again. When you get off the phone with them, when you walk away, how do you feel? How did they feel? If it helps, ask for feedback in the moment. Only 1 out of 26 unhappy customers will complain, meaning many customers may leave without giving a business a chance to fix the problem. 33% will consider switching to a competitor after a single bad experience. When you are speaking to your customers, are you attentive and engaging in the conversation? 74% are likely to switch brands if they find the purchasing process too difficult. What systems do you have in place to make the selling process smooth? A lot of people are transitioning from paper to digital. Are you trained and educated on what's available? Mobile apps, web? Do you have a tablet? Are you returning calls, meeting the application submission deadlines, etc.? 81% of customers are willing to pay more for better customer service. 95 who had a bad experience with a company will tell others about it. Again, word of mouth, whether good or bad, can either encourage your business or harm your business. Customer retention rates, they increase by 5% for every 1% increase in customer satisfaction. 64% of customers expect companies to respond and interact with them in real time. Are you picking up the phone, calling them on their birthdays, congratulating them for the birth of their child or grandchild, showing up at their weddings? What's your response rate for emails, calls, and texts? So 40% will stop doing business with the company if they receive poor customer service. I've spoken a lot on percentages, which can be overwhelming for some, but eye opening for others. It is essential to make sure you prioritize that customer experience with exceptional customer service. Some have been doing the insurance business or any business for years upon years, but it doesn't hurt to go back and reflect and reach and change what needs to be changed so you can provide that exceptional customer service. Don't treat them like another number on the books. Make every interaction personal and have an effective resolution for customer complaints, especially when you are trying to gain new customers. Having the current customer talk about their experience, word of mouth or referral will help in making new interactions successful. AEP is a couple months away. What are you doing right now to be available for your current customer base to create that exceptional experience? How are you preparing yourself and your customers for that repeat business? How will they feel once they have completed that business with you? Just a little food for thought. Balancing growth and retention is also crucial. There are specific scenarios where focusing on the growth takes precedence. There are times when focusing on retention becomes exceptionally crucial. Understanding and recognizing these scenarios can help you allocate the resources more effectively and ensure long term stability and growth. Achieving the right balance between growth and retention is crucial for insurance agents. So, some tips to maintain this balance: allocating your resources wisely, distributing your marketing budget and resource between growth and retention based on your business goals and client base. So, what are your SMART goals? Once AEP is complete, what does the rest of 2025 look like for you? We offer here at AIM a wide range of products to help you meet your customer needs, from cancer plans, hospital indemnity, short term care, and disability. That's just to name a few. Monitor your metrics, track key performance indicators such as your customer growth cost, customer lifetime value, retention rate, and churn rate, just to assess the effectiveness of your strategies. Leverage technology. Do you have a current CRM system? We here at AIM have an exceptional platform that will help you not only stay organized with your customers, but allow you to engage with them smoothly. Are you using data analytics to gain insight into client behavior and preferences, which will help tailor strategies for both your growth and retention? Solicit feedback. Regularly gather feedback from your clients to understand their satisfaction levels and identify areas for improvement, refining your retention strategies and enhancing the customer experience. So, last little bit, some key takeaways. Deciding where to focus your efforts between customer growth and retention is a strategic choice that can significantly impact the growth and sustainability of your business, especially if you are a commission only based agent. You should prioritize both growth and retention to ensure balanced and sustainable growth. However, emphasizing one largely depends on your current growth path and specific goals you aim to achieve. So, again, what are your SMART goals? Finding new customers often take precedence when a business is in its initial stages or entering new markets. So that goes to the agents who just got their licenses or they're under 3 years and they're just now building their book of business. This phase is critical to building a customer base and making a presence in the market. Growth strategies are essential to attract new customers and create brand awareness. As the business matures and establishes a solid customer base, the focus gradually shifts towards retention. Retention becomes vital for maintaining that stable revenue stream, fostering long term relationships, being able to go back to that folder and look at the needs analysis and helping to address the changes and the needs at those different stages of their life, especially if you're starting with a young couple who just getting married, haven't started a family yet. That is a great way to start with someone is figuring out their financial needs and growth. That way, as each stage of their life changes, you are able to be there to support them along the way. So it's especially crucial for businesses to rely on recurring revenue models like renewals, where customer loyalty directly impacts your bottom line. The choice between focusing on growth or retention is not statistic but dynamic, changing as your business evolves. Working with those couples as life events happen. It's important to regularly assess your business performance, market conditions, and customer feedback to determine which strategies need more focus at any given time. Doing so can align your efforts with your business objectives, ensuring immediate success and long term sustainability. Summarizing the key takeaways, balancing strategies. So, effectively balancing your new growth and retention is crucial for your growth, while obtaining new clients by expanding your market presence and retaining existing clients. That ensures long term stability and profitability. Cost efficiency. Retaining customers is often more cost effective than acquiring new ones. By focusing on customer satisfaction and loyalty programs, you can enhance your customer lifetime value. Personalized service. Providing personalized services and proactive engagements are key to both acquiring and retaining clients. Do you put on your own personal in person webinars or information meetings? Understanding individual client needs and offering tailored solutions can significantly improve relationships and satisfaction. Do you do a needs analysis every single time you talk to a new client? Then leveraging technology, utilizing technology. We have been in the digital age, and it's growing more and more as the years go by. So utilizing a CRM system, data analytics, that helps you gain insight into customer behavior and preferences. This also enables more effective marketing strategies, personalized communication, and improved overall client experience. If you are not strong in the technology, find someone, whether it's a family member, friend, colleague, to help you in that area. Woohoo! Conclusion. All right. Both customer growth and customer retention are important to focus on. Whether it's just one or both depends on your current goals. What isn't an option is to ignore both. Doing so will be a potential trip to declining growth for your business. Therefore, by implementing effective strategies for both customer growth and retention, you can build a loyal client base, increase your revenue, and achieve enduring success in the competitive insurance market. Again, AEP is a couple months away. What are you doing right now to nurture on those current customer base and marketing to a new client base? Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang with me. I am growing and evolving as I do these, and I hope it adds value to your business. I can be reached at the email and numbers listed, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Until next time, have the most amazing day, and thank you again for joining. Bye.